shower with this Krud Kutter stuff. I did a really good job my first time trying it. It's a cleaner degreaser. It worked really well in my kitchen. I'll show you some pictures of the before and afters, and I'll do the same thing with my bathtub here at our new townhouse. So let's get it going. Okay, so I've been in this new townhouse for like 2 months. Look how terrible that looks. It did not look like this a couple months ago. Oh, we can move that, because we're probably going to clean in that area. That's not that bad. There's a little bit of mildew. That might be hard to get to. Some discoloration over here. I could probably get into that corner. But really what's bothering me is this under part here on the ground. It's pretty like black looking. And that pink slime, I don't know what they make hot dogs out of. I don't know what this stuff is. So we're going to use the Krud Kutter. And we'll see how it goes. So first thing I did was I turned on the shower on hot, and I just let it kind of soak. Open this up to spray mode, and now I'm just going to spray it all over this thing. I don't know why this got so bad so quick, but if you trying to maintain it, you ever seen those TV shows like As Seen on TV? They like, how'd you ever let it get that bad? And this is the worst I've ever had a shower. I've been in this place for 2 months. I'm in a new townhouse. Make sure you're working in a ventilated area. Let's see. Keep going. Just spraying all over all this area. And I lived in many houses. I'm 34 years old. I've never had it get this bad before. So it's a Saturday and it's time to clean this thing. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's start scrubbing and a dubbing. Let's see this. It's working. A little bit. Yeah, it's going. It's going to take some elbow grease. But it's working. I'm using this sponge. I'm using the rough coarse side. I got this, dipped it in some hot water. Try to loosen it up. It's working pretty good. Well, yeah, so you can see there, that little spot that we did, it's working pretty good. Now I just got to do the whole thing. Okay, that was the first go around. You can rinse and repeat if you want. I only did it once. It's pretty good. Took about 4 or 5 minutes of hard scrubbing. Look, the pink slime is gone. All the black stuff, it's like 95% gone. You can do another one. I'm good with that. You can rinse and repeat. That black stuff was like deep into the tile here. It's hard to get to, but there's some discoloration here. Got really clean. Looks really nice. Took about 10 minutes. Spray it on, let it sit for 5, rub it for 5 or scrub it for 5. Turn the shower on hot, let it go down, and that's it.